Hi you guys, thank you for coming back today at Crafty Chic Design. So today I just want to get into, I've actually been busy already. I have been busy making some shirts for some custom orders today. So this is one of the shirts here. This is an original design that I came up with. This is pulmonary medicine. I think I mentioned on here before that I do work in healthcare, so that is one of the shirts there. Um, so I came up with that original design. People continue to order that design, so I'm very happy about that. And like I said, I've already been busy today. I've done some laundry, went for a 3-mile walk with my husband, and went out to lunch. So it is now after 3 o'clock on Monday. This past weekend I did not do anything because I had a little visitor in town. My grandson came to visit us, and we spent all our time with him and all our money. So glad I got some orders. And then this is another one that I'm working on, this sweatshirt here, and it says "In My Kindle Era," which is, I mean, I really love this sweatshirt. It's really cute. And like I said, all my things are book themed and designed. So that is what I'm working on. I also have a box here of some shirts that I ordered from Jiffy Shirts. So I like ordering my shirts from there. And I got this like sand color sweatshirt I got from there. Um, that's not a huge seller with that color, but I like it like for my own personal shirts. And of course I ordered some long sleeve black shirts. I know we're getting to spring, summer, people are not wearing black, but some people do like black. And I love ordering my shirts from Jiffy because the stuff comes really fast. Like I think I ordered it on Tuesday of last week, and I got it on Thursday, even though I asked for it to be delivered on Friday. It came Thursday, which was great. And let's see here, I ordered up this long sleeve shirt here. So that's just some of the stuff that I'm working on. I think I mentioned in my previous video, I do have a craft show coming up in April. That will be the first craft show I do this year. There was one that was like earlier here in March, but I just didn't have the time. And then when I got sick, of course, that made it even more, difficult to try to do a craft fair. So, and there's some other designs and other things that I want to work on. Like I have some stickers. I mean, I was selling stickers at last year at a couple of craft shows that I done, and I did not know how popular stickers were. I mean, if nothing else, at my table, so people were buying stickers. And I don't mean just little kids, like adults, grown men. Like everybody was really into the stickers. So I came up with kind of like this for like the book design. I think that's really cute, if you can see that. And then this one here. So that's just some of the original like stickers. And then you have that one. So, because everybody's like into the reading and their Kindle. So I have like these little bookmarks. I'm going to have to put magnets in them because they're going to be like, like little magnetic bookmarks. So I'm working on that. I also have some other designs I'm working on for some of my tumblers. So this is like one for like teachers, and this is like, for the lady building her empire. And also I have this one here that says Mom Life, because I think around the time that I will be doing my craft fair, it will be like close to Mother's Day. So it's like the end of April. So I want to get together like a lot of designs that I can do for Mother's Day and kind of get some of that stuff out there. But I am struggling. What I'm struggling with is these mugs. Like my idea for these mugs was to do some mugs for Mother's Day and like put like different like things in there. Like maybe, I don't know, a face mask or nail file, like things for Mother's. So like make it like a gift. But like this one looks okay, but I don't know if you can like see here. There's like some discoloration there. on these mugs. And this was not a full wrap. So the full wrap mugs have been like okay. I've been struggling with the mugs that are like full wrap. Like the front of this looks really nice, but then you see the side and it's like faded. So I don't know what it is that I'm doing wrong. I mean, it's the same mug press that I use when I make my tumblers. So, and it says that, you know, it can, you know, sublimate mugs. So I was like, okay, why is it not working? I don't know. I don't know what it is that I'm not doing or understanding. And, I mean, like this came out fairly cute, you know. So I personally don't know what it is that I'm doing wrong when it comes to sublimating the mugs. I'm considering getting a mug press because I don't want to keep ruining mugs. Like, they're not cheap. It's stuff gets to be expensive. That, you know, especially if you keep doing this and you're losing money. You're not making money on, you know, these items. I mean, I can't sell that to someone. I mean, I can give it away, but that's not the whole idea. The idea is to sell it and to, you know, make some money. So and also, like I said, I am working on some tumblers that I showed you designs of the tumblers I'll be working on. So there's a lot going on here at Crafty Chic Design. I may not record everything, but there's a lot that I am doing and working on. So I just wanted to pop in here, kind of let you guys know what I'm working on. Also, I know I am new to YouTube, so my goal is, like, I know I'm like have, I don't know, a little over 50 some subscribers. So my goal is, once I make 100 subscribers, I want to do a giveaway, maybe, you know, something small, some of the keychains and everything like that that I have. And then when I get to 500 subscribers, I want to do another giveaway with a little bit more, maybe one of my tumbler wraps or something like that. Give that away. And then when I get to 1,000 subscribers, definitely give away one of my nice custom t-shirts or sweatshirts or something like that. So that is the goal here, is to continue to build my YouTube community. I also have a website where I will be putting my stuff up for sale and everything like that. I know I need to have a website. Something I've been working on. Like I said, I do a lot of my selling at craft fairs, but I have so much stuff, an abundance of stuff that doesn't always sell at the craft show or something like that. So I want to, you know, be able to have a place where I can host and to sell my other things that you know, that don't sell at the craft fairs. So that is the goal. So hopefully I can reach that goal and get my subscription, you know, build up and everything like that, and get more and more people watching my YouTube channel. Hopefully they find this interesting. And another thing is, some of the tumbler wraps I will also be selling. I know a lot of people want to get into sublimation, but I know sublimation can be expensive. And before I got a sublimation printer, I did order up like the sublimation. Like I ordered these up from someone, and she did a great job with them. And I was like, okay, I felt more confident because I got the tumbler press that I use here. I got it off of Amazon. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of heavy, but this is the tumbler press that I use. I like it a lot. My husband got it for me for Christmas, and it's the one that I use to make my tumblers with. I like it. Like I said, my husband got it for me for Christmas. It was on sale. So when I decided that I was going to do sublimation, I was like, okay, let me do that. And then also too, I started to make shirts for myself, because I, you know, quick and easily shirts. I love to make little theme shirts. So I was like, oh, okay, well then, you know, I'll do that. So say that to say that if you're not ready to get into, you know, sublimation, or to go out and buy a sublimation printer, or to convert a printer, because I know they cost over $200. Everyone cannot go out and do that. I will be selling the tumbler wraps on my website, along with UV DTF wraps that I use for my glass cans. There's some that I ordered that I'm just not going to use them. So I figured having them sitting around, maybe someone else will like these designs. So you will be able to find my website linked below, where I will have all these items for sale and whatever. Have my email if you have any questions or anything like that. That's where all this will be. So I am going to finish up getting these shirts cranked out. Thank you for watching today. Hopefully you learned something, you know, found this interesting. I'm sorry that I'm like rushing through this video, but I really want to like get all this stuff done, and I don't think you guys want to just sit here and watch me like press shirts. You know, like I said, I showed you the shirt designs that I'm working on. This one came out really cute. I just got to get everything up and packed, you know, get it packaged and everything. And this one here, so kind of get an idea of what I'm working on today. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully I will see you back here really soon. I will have more videos of me prepping and getting ready for my first craft fair, which like I said will be in April. So I have a lot more stuff to get ready. I know that seems like it's far off, but it's not. And you know, when you're getting prepped and ready for a craft fair, you want to make sure you have everything that you need. Again, thank you for watching Crafty Chic Design, and hopefully see you back here soon. Bye.